Tower is walking distance lang sa Tiendesitas. Yung mga balcony dito, for the Valoron Tower is a glass balcony na. Mas wider na rin yung doors and windows. Okay? Basketball court, meron din. Hi guys again, welcome back to my channel. So today, papakita ko sa inyo itong scale model natin for the Valoron Tower. So tara. Ayan. So guys, itong Valoron Tower is a one high-rise tower with two wings. Okay, in this side, this is the east wing, and the other side, ito naman yung west wing. Okay, so guys, itong Valoron Tower is 55 stories and 49 residential floors, and this is located along C5 Road, ayan, corner P. Antonio Street. Okay, so guys, itong Valoron Tower is walking distance lang sa Tiendesitas, nasa kabilang side niya lang to. Okay, so guys, for the Valoron Tower, we have 2 basement parking and 5 podium parking. Okay, for the ground floor, fully commercial siya guys. Nandyan din yung gym and co-working space for the Valoron Tower. Okay? Meron din tayong dalawang drop-off area sa C5 Road, and meron din tayo dito sa may P. Antonio. And ito naman yung entrance parking going to podium, at nasa kabila naman yung entrance parking going to the basement parking. Okay? So guys, sa ground floor, we have two transfer elevators papunta dito sa may amenity level dito sa 7th floor, no? So guys, sa harap ni West Wing, nandiyan si Open Lawn. Sa East Wing, nandito si Kiddie Pool. Okay? Then guys, etong side na to, ito yung facing ng papunta sa The Grove. Okay? Facing ng The Grove, Bridgetown, Parklings, and Eastwood. Okay? So guys, dito sa may corner side ni East Wing, nandito naman si Children's Play Area. And etong corner na to guys, yung facing nito is the antipolo, which is yung sunrise. Okay? So sa back unit naman nito ni East Wing, nandito si yung basketball court. Okay? Basketball court, meron din tayong leisure pool. Then also guys, etong facing ng side na to is facing sa Laguna de Bay, BGC, and Makati Central Business District. Okay? Pagdating naman dito sa may West Wing guys, yung facing ng side na to guys is nabablock ni Gem Residences. Okay? Pero guys, si Gem Residences naman is hanggang 41st floor lang. So kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng view ng BGC, Makati, or Laguna de Bay, pwede kayong kumuha ng floors above the 41st floor ni Gem Residences. Kung lower floors naman yung makukuha nyo guys, yung lower floors na ito guys is facing dun sa may amenity level ni Gem Residences. So tara. So guys, etong corner naman ni West Wing is facing dito sa Ortigas Central Business District. Okay? So guys, mapapansin ninyo na yung mga balcony dito for the Valoron Tower is a glass balcony na. Mas wider na rin yung doors and windows for the ng mga unit for the purpose of the ventilation of natural light and air sa loob ng units ninyo. And of course, hindi mawawala yung Lumivent technology. And we still have the atrium garden every 6th floor for the Valoron Tower. Okay? So, next na natin itong residential, no? So, for the residential floors, yung start ng residential for the West Wing is from the 7th floor, and yung start ng residential for the East Wing is sa 8th floor. Kasi nga guys, yung 7th floor ni East Wing is the open lobby. Okay? At yung lower level dito sa Valoron Tower is hanggang 14th floor, and kung gusto niyo yung higher floor, ang available is from 50 to 55th floor. Okay? Then also guys, nagkaroon tayo ng additional unit for the studio and 3 bedrooms dito sa may 45th hanggang 50th floor ito kasi yung mga unit na unang naubos nung time na nagkaroon ng acceptance of reservation dito kay Valeron Tower, no? So, kaya nag-release ng panibagong inventory si DMCI. So, guys, overall, sa total na area ni Valeron Tower, guys, nag-provide si DMCI ng 76% allotted for the open space and the remaining for the residential lang, no? So, ganun ka-generous si DMCI pagdating sa open space. Okay? Bukod dyan, guys, hindi natatapos dito yung amenities na provide ni DMCI, no? So, guys, akit tayo dito sa Sky Lounge. Ganito kaganda yung view na kayang i-offer sa inyo ni Valeron Tower, no? Dito sa Sky Lounge natin, guys, meron tayong 360 views na may view sa city view and mountain views. And bukod pa dyan, nagdagdag din ng maraming greenery si DMCI sa Sky Lounge natin. At ganito kaganda yung night view sa Sky Deck Pool. At ito naman yung view sa umaga. For more details about the Valeron Tower, please contact me on my contact number listed below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you and see you in my next vlog.